Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you top tricks for your speaker JBL Grip. And when you listen to music and or watching the movie, you don't need to use your phone, you can use your speaker. And on the front side we have controls to play or pause the song, to play next or previous track. We can also increase or lower the volume. Then, if you want to improve your listening experience, you can change equalizer preset. You can open JBL Portable application. You should connect your speaker to the app, then it will open for you speaker menu. And right here we have equalizer. So we have 4 presets what JBL offer for us. You can select some of this preset, or you can create the custom one. And I just did it, and I use the custom one. We have the LED light at this speaker at the back side right here, and you can change LED light mode using control or in the application. So you need to press on it, you can turn on and turn off the control, and now as you can see I swap between LED light modes, but also you can use just application, tap at the best one for you. We can also change LED light color. Right here I have only 4, and you should do this for all presets. So right now I use the red one, and I want to change to the blue. I have it, but if I swipe to another mode, as you can see I still have the red one, so you need to do this for all LED light modes. Also in the application you can change brightness. You can increase brightness by move the slider to the right, or lower brightness by move it to the left. Also, this speaker have dual connection, so you can connect 2 devices to your speaker simultaneously. Let's say you can connect it to your phone and to your PC at the same time. If you have some trouble with your speaker, you can easily perform a factory reset. And to perform a factory reset, you need to press and hold at the same time play pause button and volume up button. And then you need to just reconnect your speaker with the phone or with another device. If you still don't know how to perform a factory reset, you can check video at this channel, we have it, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!